Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to explode text. So you can create text with the text command, and I will create here for rotation 0 degree, and then you can tap AviCAD for the text, click outside and press escape button. Now if you want to explode this text, you can use the text explode command. Type txt press enter, and then select the text objects and enter again. So it will be explode the text. Okay, we'll create again the text object and set into example. Now you can type txt exp, press enter and select the text object and enter again to explode. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to explode text.